Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on clothing with Old Navy, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To save on clothing with Old Navy, first, visit the Old Navy website or nearest store location. Next, sign up for the Old Navy email newsletter. This will give you access to exclusive promotions and discounts. Look for the sales section on the website or ask an associate in-store. Check the clearance section for even deeper discounts on items. Take note of special sales events like holiday sales or back-to-school promotions. Consider downloading the Old Navy mobile app for additional app-exclusive deals. Make sure to follow Old Navy on social media for flash sales and special announcements. Use any coupons or promo codes you receive through email or on the app during checkout. If you're shopping in-store, don't hesitate to ask about any current promotions at the register. Look into Old Navy's rewards program, which allows you to earn points for every purchase. These points can later be redeemed for discounts on future shopping. Compare prices with other retailers to ensure you're getting the best deal. Before completing any purchase, check out the return policy for additional peace of mind. Utilize Old Navy's price matching policy if you find a lower price elsewhere. Remember to shop seasonally, as clearance items become available at the end of each season. Finally, plan your shopping around major sale events to maximize your savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.